Hello, good morning, friends. In this video, I'm going to explain chemical effect of current for CBSE 8. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one. Conduction of electricity. Okay, we can classify the metals into two types. One is conductor, other is insulator. When we talk about conductors, substances which allow electric current to pass through them are called as conductors, such as silver, gold. Okay, acidic solutions, okay, it will actually come under electrolytes, salt solution. They are actually conducting only, okay, but they are liquid. Okay, the liquids which conduct electricity are called as electrolytes. Okay, but solid substances are generally called as conductor. Even liquid solutions are also conductor only. Insulators, substances which do not allow electric current to pass through them, such as plastics, rubber, non-metals, they are what are insulators. Okay, so this is the first concept of this chemical effect of current. Next, okay, we talk about the two types of conductors, good conductors and bad conductors. When we talk about the good conductors, substances which allow electric current to pass through them easily. Okay, so like a copper wire, aluminum wire, okay, they are what a good conductor. Okay, so here you can see this is a tester connected to this metallic part is there. Once you connect to a cell and a bulb, so this bulb will glow. Okay, bad conductors means some substances allow electric current to pass through them, but in very little amount. Okay, in this case, if you take a wrap this wire through this and bulb and cell is connected, bulb do not glow because this part is made up of what? Plastics, we can say kind of polymer only. So which is not conducting. So bulb do not glow. Current do not pass through. Okay, that's why because this outer covering part of tester, which is generally made up of what? A kind of PVC. Okay, so that is insulator. Next concepts, conduction tester of electricity. Okay, whether the liquid solution is conducting or not. Okay, how can you test this one? The conduction tester is device which is used to determine whether a substance is good or poor conductor of electricity. Liquids which contain salt dissolves in them are called as they conduct electricity generally. Okay, so if you see here what they have done in this arrangement. Okay, okay, this conduction tester using a torch bulb. Okay, conduction of electricity testing. This diagram is not complete here. I can show you this diagram. Okay, see here. Suppose you take a solution. Take two metallic plates made of graphite. Once you connect to a cell, and this is a bulb. Okay, this is what these are the metal electrodes made up of graphite. We can say electrodes. Okay, so once if this liquid solution is conducting, okay, this is a take salt solution, NaCl solution, salt solution. If it is conducting, then what will happen? The bulb will glow. If instead of this, if you put petrol or kerosene, okay, so in this case, they are non-electrolytes. So bulb will not glow. Okay, in this way, we can test whether the solution is conducting or not. Next concept. Conduction of electricity testing using liquids. You see here, same thing they have done. Liquids which conduct salt, which contain salt dissolves in them, they conduct electricity. Okay, this conduction of electricity through the liquid can be tested using the two electrodes and the bulb. You can see these are the two electrodes and bulb is there and the cell is there. So now in the A cell A, the solutions are there. In this B also some B is non-conducting actually. You can take non-conducting solution like you can take alcohol. Alcohol is also not conducting. A you take a water plus NaCl you can take. So once you take in A beaker A salt solution, the bulb will glow. In that B, if you take alcohol solution, it will not glow. Is it clear? So this we can say that A is a conducting, B is not conducting. You can see clearly. Okay, this bulb is not glowing, here bulb is glowing. Okay. Next concept. Conduction tester using torch bulb. Okay. That also we have seen a simple conduction tester has an electric cell and a torch bulb. You can see one terminal of the cell is connected to one terminal of the cell by a wire. The other terminal of the cell is connected and the bulb have the wires which can be brought in contact with materials to test whether they are good conductor or not. You can see here this is the positive and terminal, negative terminal. One end is connected to the uh, one end of the bulb, another is connected to the another end of the bulb. Okay, if the bulb is good, it will glow. If bulb is not good, it will not glow. Okay, you can, so with circuit diagram, you see here, if you take a bulb, you can take a switch also. This is a symbol of switch. And you take this is a symbol for cell. This is cell. Okay. And if you switch on, this is a switch on. When switch is on and the current will start flowing through this, the bulb will glow. Current is flowing through this, the bulb will glow. Okay. And in case if you off the switch, cell is connected. Okay, but the current is not flowing in the circuit. In this case, bulb will not glow. Okay, when the switch is on, this is what a key closed. Key closed. In this case, we say key open. When key is open, the bulb will not glow. When the key is closed only, then the bulb will glow. Okay, so we need a complete circuit. Complete circuit. Okay, if the current flows through one complete path, then only the bulb is glowing. If it is not here, you see there is a current is not flowing. Current will leave from here, it will not glow. Why? Because it is not flowing through this path. Is it clear? Next concepts. Conduction tester using LED. You can see like that LEDs are there. Sometimes the current flowing through the current may be too weak and the filament of the bulb may not get sufficiently heated to get it glow. Then instead of the torch bulb, we are using what? LED and we using the circuit. Okay, even you can see the conduction using the magnetic compass, electrical conductivity of liquids as I shown. So conductors here, the list are there. Examples of conductor like metals are generally conductor children. Silver, copper, gold, graphite, tungsten, nicron, lead. Okay, insulators, plastics, glass, diamond. Okay, rubber, cork, pure water. Distilled water is a poor conductor because it does not contain ions. Electric current. What is electric current? The flow of electrons or ions is called as electric current. Okay, you can see whenever the electrons flow in the metals or in the solution, ions flow. So it constitutes electric current. So direction of current, the direction of conventional current is opposite to the flow of electrons. Okay, and the direction of electric current is directed by a galvanometer. Galvanometer is a device which is used to sense the current. Current flows from higher potential to lower potential. SI unit of electric current is ampere and is measured using the ammeter. The SI unit of potential difference is volt and is measured using voltmeter. Ammeter is always connected in series, whereas voltmeter is always connected in parallel children. Is it clear? So when an electron gets added to an atom, it becomes negative ions, that is called as anion. And the atom which loses electrons is becomes positive ion, that is called as cation. There I have shown the electric circuit, a closed path in which the current flows is known as electric circuit. Electric circuit comprises of electrical components like cell, battery, bulb, switch. You can see here, this is a bulb, this is what a cell, this is a switch. Okay, so we can represent this with the help of circuit diagram. Okay, actual component we can replace with a symbol, like this is a symbol for battery, this is a symbol for bulb, this is a symbol for switch. Okay, so electric switch, what is electric switch? Okay, first direction of current, positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. You see here, whenever you connect a shell, this is cells, direct current will flow from positive to negative. It will end towards negative. Is it clear? Here also. Okay. Electric switch is a simple device that either breaks the circuit or completes it. Circuits have a switch so that they can be turned on or off. You can see when we have when you're using a bulb or fan in home, so switch is there. When you want to use, you on it. When you don't want to, so you off it. Yes or no? So that is the role of switch. It will complete the circuit or break the circuit. Okay. Next concepts in this. That's all, children. If you like this concepts, please just subscribe the channel, okay, and share with your friends. Thank you.